Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to record calls on Facebook Messenger. As of the latest updates, Facebook Messenger does not have a built-in feature to record calls directly within the app. However, there are a few alternative methods you can use to record Messenger calls. If you're using a mobile device, then you need to use third-party apps. I'm going to start with iOS users. Use built-in screen recording from the iOS device. How do you find that? Open Settings, go to Settings, then Control Center, then Customize Controls. Then add screen recording. Ensure screen recording is added to the Control Center. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner of the screen. Tap the screen recording button to start recording. Start your Messenger call. The screen recording will capture the call audio and video. Open the Control Center and tap the screen recording button again to stop. Beware of privacy laws and obtain consent before recording calls. If you're using the Android, use a screen recording app. There are various apps available on the Google Play Store that can record your screen and audio. Examples include AZ Screen Recorder or Mobizen Screen Recorder. Download and install the app of your choice, open the recording app and configure it to record audio. Start the recording, then make or receive your Messenger call. My phone is a Samsung phone, Samsung Android of course, and it has a built-in screen recording feature. So I'm just gonna go all the way to the top and swipe right and click on Start Record. So once my call is on, I can head over here and toggle on Start Record. Then I'm going to toggle on this record audio, and if I choose to show touches on the screen, I can just go ahead and do that. So once I click on Start, then my phone will be recording the call, including the audio. For the video calls or even audio calls, it works for both. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.